Hey everyone, Britta here. Rose gold, rose blonde hair is set to be one of the biggest hair trends for 2018. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the look using my favorite new hair tool and some amazing temporary hair colors. Just keep on watching to check it out. First, let's start by getting that gorgeous hair color I was talking about. I am totally in love with the L'Oreal Colorista Spray One Day Colors. Today, I'm going to be using the color rose gold for our rose blonde look. They only last until you shampoo your hair, so you don't need to commit and they are insanely easy to apply. To protect my clothes, I've got a poncho on here. The spray is washable though, so if you do get it on your skin or your clothing, you can simply wash it off. Just shake the can and spray from 10 to 15 centimeters away from your dry hair. Isn't it so pretty? You really can see that gorgeous rosy metallic finish. Then once I'm happy with the amount of rosy gold color, I'll use a brush to blend it in. Now that I've got this awesome rose gold hair color, I want to create some pretty loose waves with the new Conair Infiniti Pro Meta or half and half. Now, if you're familiar with the Conair Infiniti Pro Curl Secret, then you are going to love this hair tool even more. It has the curling function of the Curl Secret combined with a straightening function all in one. So let's give it a try. On the control panel, you'll see the option for curl versus straight. For today's look, we're going to use the curl setting, but if you wanted to get sleek straight hair, you would select the straight setting instead. You'll also notice there's the option to select a curl pattern. For this look, I want it to look more natural, so I'm going to choose the infinity symbol, which is for an alternating curl pattern. There's also 3 different temperatures to choose from. I like to use the hottest setting on my hair, so I'll select that here. And now we're ready to go. Because we're going to be using the curling function, I'm going to take a section of hair and put the curling side towards my head, placing that section of hair into the tool. And you'll see it curls right up inside. Now you'll hear some beeps for 14 seconds. And then when you hear the consecutive beeps, it's time to release the hair. And that's it. Beautiful curls. And here's the final look. It takes just a couple easy, simple steps to get this gorgeous rose gold hairstyle. You can find all the products I used here today at londondrugs.com. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.